How to save the plot with the labels and text area transparent but not the main plot area in Matplotlib. I'm trying to save a plot with the labels area, the area where you print this label, relabel, and title, transparent, and the main plot, the area where you plot the data, not transparent. I'm using the transparent command in savefig. The problem is that this makes all the figure transparent. In the documentation says this about the transparent argument. Transparent believe true, the access patches will all be transparent, the figure patch will also be transparent unless face color and or edge color are specified via quirks. This is useful, for example, for displaying a plot on top of a colored background on a web page. The transparency of these patches will be restored to their original values upon exit of this function. So I tried changing the face color and edge color arguments, but I can't find a combination that gives the plot that I want. Help.
There is a bug in the newest version of Matplotlib. I'm not sure if this applies to here, because you do not state which version you are using. The workaround would be to use a transparent face color and leave the other arguments at their defaults.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.